Check system requirements. Make sure your PC meets the minimum system requirements for Doom: The Dark Ages. Do update Windows. Go to Settings, Windows Update. Install all available updates. 3. Restart your PC. Always try a restart after installing updates or making changes. Game app troubleshooting steps. 4. Check for game updates. Open Xbox app or Microsoft Store. Find Doom: The Dark Ages in your library. Right-click and choose Manage Files, check for updates. 5. Run Xbox App Game Services as administrator. Search for Xbox app, right-click Run as administrator. Repeat this for Microsoft Store and gaming services, if installed. 6. Repair or reset the game. Go to Settings, Apps, Installed Apps. Find Doom: The Dark Ages, click Advanced Options. Choose Repair, and if that doesn't work, choose Reset. Xbox App Store Fixes. 7. Reinstall gaming services. Run the following in PowerShell as administrator. PowerShell. Copy. Edit. Get apps package Microsoft. Gaming services, remove apps package Alusus. Start MS Windows Store PDP producted no MWP in DOCQ in LHN. Then reinstall gaming services when prompted. 8. Sign out and back in. Sign out of the Xbox app and Microsoft Store. Reboot and sign back in. Now clear Microsoft Store cache. Run this command in Run, Windows +R. Copy. Edit. wsrset.x. A blank window will pop up and close automatically after clearing the cache. Permissions, background services. 10. Ensure Xbox and gaming services are running. Open services, Win+R services.msc. Make sure these are running and automatic. Xbox Live Auth Manager. Xbox Live Game Save. Gaming services. Windows Update. 11. Disable antivirus or add exceptions. Temporarily disable your third-party antivirus or add Doom: The Dark Ages, Xbox app and Microsoft Store as exceptions. Add additional tips. 12. Try launching from Microsoft Store. Sometimes the game launches properly from the Store app instead of Xbox app. 13. Reinstall the game. If all else fails, uninstall and reinstall Doom: The Dark Ages from either Xbox app or Microsoft Store.